Hello everybody and welcome back. This is Derek with laserengravingbusiness.com, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how to make a cake topper from scratch, and then you will be able to download this file and cut it out on your laser. So this is a brand new blank document in Inkscape. First, go to File, Document Properties, and display units to inches. We'll go with 19.5 by 11, and this will get us the dimensions we need that will kind of mimic the canvas for the Glowforge. Okay, first thing we need to do is create our wording. Since Father's Day is very close, we will do a Happy Father's Day cake topper. So we will type in happy, new text, Father's, new text, day. Okay, you want to click on the selection tool, left click and drag to so I have all three words selected. Go to the text tool, and I will be using Hello Bella Bold. I will link this text into this font into the description. Okay, so we have all three letters here. Okay, same thing. Click all three. Go to Path, Object to Path. We're going to click the X on the fill and the first button on the stroke. Okay, and if you do not have this menu in your Inkscape, all you have to do is hold down the Shift Control F key. So hold down all three buttons at the same time and this menu will pop up. Okay, now as you can see, if you were to cut this right now on your laser Glowforge, it would cut out each individual letter. So to fix this, we have to select Path, Object to Path, Object Ungroup, and that will give you each individual letter selected. Then we will click Path Union, and that just cleans it all up and makes it all one word. So when the laser goes to cut, it will just cut on the outlines here. Okay, same thing with the next word, Father, Object to Path, Object Ungroup, and on this one we do have to select only the F, and if you notice on the F you have this top part and then you have the rest of the F, and if you were to cut this or even union this, it would not union correctly and it would still only cut this and then this. So what you have to do is select only the F here, Object Ungroup, or actually Path Break Apart, and that will give you just the top part and then the rest of the F. So select just the top part and click the down arrow on your keyboard and the right arrow, and that will overlap the F, the two parts of the F, and then select everything, all portions of the F, Path Union, or so Path. So you're going to click Path, Combine, and then Path Union, and that will get you one part for the F. And then you also have to connect the F to the A. So select the F and click your right arrow key on your keyboard until it touches the A on Father's. Okay, now select all of the letters and same thing, Path Union. Okay, and same thing for the last word day. So, and same thing with the D. We have to make it touch the A. Path union. Okay, so now we need to combine each word. And mine was snapping together. If you just click this button here, and that will disable snaps. So, but to combine all three words together, you're just going to left mouse click and drag, select all three words, path, and click union, and that will combine them all. Okay, now that we have all of the words connected, we have to create the stick. And there's probably a billion ways to do this, but the way that I do it is I just create a rectangle, and you can create it as long or thick as you need it. So I will hold the control key and left mouse button and resize it just a little bit here. Okay. That looks like a good size for me. And now we need to go to, while you have your rectangle selected, go to Path, Object to Path, and then click on your node tool here. And you will see how we have these two dots. And I will just turn the snapping off up here, and pull them together like so. And that will kind of create a point. You don't have to do such a drastic point. Let's see, try to make it a little more even here. Okay. So now that we have the stick, we can position it where we want to put it. I think this will be a good spot. And you could also, something I may do, make it a little bit more sturdy if it touches both. Let's see how that looks. Path union. Yeah, we can do it that way. Okay, let me back up a little bit. So, can make this a little bit taller here. So I have my stick selected. In order to select the stick plus the words, you're going to hold down the Shift key and the Alt key on your keyboard, and then scroll up with your middle mouse button. And that will allow you to select both the stick and the wording. And you go to Path and Union. And that will combine all of the stick and the words together. So now you will just save this. Happy Father's Day Cake Topper. And let me go to the Glowforge app. Happy Father's Day Cake Topper. Okay, and so as you can see, we have it on cut. And if we were to cut this, I think it would turn out pretty well. So that's how you make a cake topper. Hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any questions at all, please leave me a comment down in the description. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.